Today, I'm gonna make some pigs in a blanket. My kids are home from school today, and guess who's making lunch? The oven's ready. Time for me to get these wrapped up. Hey yo, this is Dash. Yeah! Hey yo, this is Dash, and today I am going to be doing some oh, we talked about that already. I gotta remember to stop doing that. But I'm making some pigs in a blanket. My kids really like when I make pigs in a blanket. All you need is some basic crescent rolls and some hot dogs. You guys remember, hopefully you guys have seen by now the video where I did the community block party. Well, I had some hot dogs they gave me, so I took the box of hot dogs, broke them down in individual packs of 8, and we're getting ready to have lunch. Alright, so my oven is already on at 350. Now we're going to put in work. We're going to open these up and wrap these up. I'm going to get you on a time lapse. We'll be back when it's done.
One eternity later.
Goodness gracious. You smell this or what?
You smell the hot dogs. I mean, not hot dogs, cookies.
No, they're not cookies.
It's okay.
Can you be in your video?
Go ahead. Alright. So, through the magic of television, they of course smelled these as they were finishing. Taste tester number 1, well, number 2 and 3. Taste tester number 1, do you want to get in on this?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Slide over, slide over. Now. Come on, guys. Hey.
These are big.
Alright, so here's the thing. What do you guys think? You guys have had these before. Do you like them?
Yes.
You like when I do
I like
these?
them in
Yeah, I like it with beans.
Oh, are you trying to tell me that I should have cooked some beans too? Is that what that was? I'm not cooking any beans today. This was it.
Okay.
We're having pigs in a blanket. Okay, very simple recipe. Now, everybody go ahead and grab one. It's probably gonna be hot, so please be. Is it still? It's hot.
It's hot. Yeah.
All right.
This one's mine.
Yeah. Go ahead and burn it. Go ahead. All right. So look, this is what we're gonna do. You guys, we're gonna let these cool for a couple moments, but tell everyone thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
If you haven't already, please do subscribe. All right. So listen again. So while these cool, if you guys could just tell everybody thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And if you haven't already, please do subscribe.
Bye.
Drop a like.
Oh, all right.
Make
Like.
sure you give us a thumbs up.
Perfect. Bye.
Bye.